This is Team Vector's ECE 309 final project for Go Fish, including Spencer Guideman, Tyler Karpwich, and Maritza Aguirre-Diaz.
To represent cards in our code, we have a class called CardNode with the number and suit of the card. We have a class called Deck that creates a singly linked list of card nodes. To shuffle a deck, the Deck class uses member functions createDeck to create a list of 52 cards and removes and inserts random cards onto the top of the deck. The player hands is represented by class playerHands. PlayerHands has member functions deal and draw that remove cards from the top of the deck and inserts into the player's hands.
A player class was created to represent individuals within the game. This consisted of giving them an incrementing score value and an ID number. The game starts by asking a human player to either play or observe, then prompts the first player to ask others for a specific card value in their hand. Along the rules of Go Fish, this continues while the deck size and player hands are counted to determine when the game is over. Once the cards are completely booked, the player with the most books and the highest score is the winner.
My implementations included the console player class, which inherits from player and overrides the ask function to handle CPU logic for determining which card value to ask for, printing the current game state during each turn, setting up the main function to initialize our deck in game and handle asking the user to play again once the game ends, as well as relevant functions in the player hands class to assist with determining CPU logic.
The main data structure we use is a singly linked list to represent the group of cards. Each of our classes use member functions representing encapsulation. Most of our classes have protected data which represents abstraction. Almost all of our classes inherit from each other. We use a virtual member function to override the ask function of the player class. The deck class satisfies the rule of three